Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 5th, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. As always, if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. Let your friends and family know where you get the best weather information for the northern mid-Atlantic, which of course is NY and JPA weather. Now, we have a cold front that is going to be approaching the region. We have some showers that are currently off the coast, produce some heavier downpours around Atlantic City. That's all clearing out. And that's going to lead to some scattered broken cloud cover and a threat for additional showers this afternoon. Only isolated to widely scattered, and for the most part these showers will be light, but just be on guard for a brief heavy downpour here and there. Other than that, scattered broken cloud cover and actually a rather warm day with high temperatures today in the upper 50s to mid 60s. Certainly get out there and enjoy that weather, because what is to come, well, let's just say you're going to need a heavier coat, that is for sure. Taking a look at the latest surface map, you can see our first cold front that is approaching the region, currently in the Ohio River Valley and over the eastern Great Lakes. That will be approaching our coast by this afternoon. After that cold front, we have another reinforcing shot. Not much with precipitation with these other cold fronts here, just a wind shift. And then we have a much stronger cold front that will be on the way for Thursday night into Friday morning, with a pesky wave of low pressure leading to some pesky weather concerns with rain and yes, even snow, but understand, just for the higher elevations. Taking a look at our satellite picture, you can see some impressive colder cloud tops that are developing here with our cold front over the eastern Great Lakes. Now again, there isn't much moisture in the atmosphere, so there isn't a lot of moisture to lift, but what moisture there is, well, it's being lifted up pretty high in the atmosphere with these colder cloud tops. Down here we have an area of low pressure that's festering off the southeast coast. That will continue to head out in the Atlantic, no threat there. Our subtropical jet stream is pretty active, and that is going to be a very important factor as we move towards the end of the week, as an area of low pressure develops around the southern plains, hooks up with a cold front that is starting to develop over the northern Rockies, and those two will head towards our neck of the woods and make for a rather unsettled and frankly chilly end to our upcoming week, to our week right now. Not upcoming, but you get my point. Now, here is the latest satellite picture zoomed in. Notice these lower clouds are all lingering around the region, and then you have these higher clouds coming in. That's going to lead to scattered broken cloud cover throughout the day. You'll see some sun. It's not going to be a completely cloudy day, but within the sunshine you will see broken clouds and that threat for showers. Our forecast for today: cold front moves through, isolated widely scattered showers, high temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s. For tonight, the cold front clears out. Look for clearing skies and temperatures plummet into the mid to upper 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure passes over the region with highs only in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Now on Thursday, most of the day will be dry on Thursday as this cold front approaches. Look for increasing cloud cover with a nice southerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Look for lows in the mid 30s. Highs, though, in the mid 50s to lower 60s. As this cold front moves through, this low pressure system will quickly ride along the cold front. Now, there is some question as how fast this cold front moves through. The slower the cold front moves through, the less snowfall will develop over the higher elevations. We're talking about the Poconos, portions of the Hudson River Valley, and interior Connecticut. For the coastal plain, this setup for this time of year typically leads to rain, and that is pretty much what we're expecting. Now on Friday, here's our low pressure system rapidly heading towards the Gulf of Maine here. Again, watch out for interior snowfall Thursday night into Friday morning. By 8 a.m. on Friday morning, most of this precipitation will be off the coast. So again, for the most part, I want to make this very clear. The coast, rain. Interior, some slick roads, some light to moderate snow is possible at times, let's say around 2 a.m. on Friday morning, but that will clear out pretty quickly. We're not looking at a massive snowstorm or anything of that nature, okay? But what we will be experiencing on Friday is some windy conditions, and temperatures will be free falling through the 40s and into the 30s throughout the day. It is going to be a very chilly day on Friday. Saturday isn't going to be much better, but the winds will slack off. Clear skies are expected with lows in the upper teens to mid 20s and highs in the mid 30s to lower 40s. On Sunday, A cold front will approach the region. Look for increasing cloud cover but dry weather conditions. Look for lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Monday, that cold front clears out with a few showers early in the morning. Look for lows in the mid 30s, highs in the lower 40s. And then we're going to watch this low pressure system right here for Tuesday. See how close it comes to the coast. Right now, the way I see this is that this will kind of linger far enough off the coast to keep the heaviest precipitation over the coastal waters, but there will be a threat for a mix of rain and snow right along the coast here. I'm not expecting much in the way of accumulation, if any, but certainly the threat for some snowflakes in the air will be possible. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows, and lower to mid 30s for highs. A couple of upper 30s possible right along the immediate coast. So there's that threat again for a mix of rain and snow showers, but not any type of steady snowfall. I want to make that very clear. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.